Today we are doing tear trough filler. So I'm going to be putting some hyaluronic acid filler right under our patient's eyes to help with the hollows. So I've already put a little bit of lidocaine right here, and I'm going to make a little port. Can you feel that?
No.
There we go. So that way we can get in with our cannula, because if you've ever seen any of my videos, you know that I love to use the cannula, especially for the eyes. And I'm going to go right in through my little spot. Okay, yep, just keep looking up. And I'm going to just travel. I promise I'm not going to poke your eye with this. Just feels kind of weird. So you can see where the cannula is right there. Okay, here comes some filler. Easy peasy. So hyaluronic acid filler is just that. It's made of hyaluronic acid, which we lose. We don't make as much as we age. Not that our patient is old, but just as time goes on, we don't make it as much, and our body still eats it up. So fillers just are a replacement for hyaluronic acid. You doing okay?
Mm-hmm.
All right, I'm going to put some over here. You're doing awesome. And this can last you for a year. Sometimes it lasts a little longer than that in the tear troughs, just because you don't usually use tear troughs very much. Even when you're smiling, you tend not to work them so hard. Not like your lips or nasolabial folds that we work all the time. Anyway, you doing okay?
Mm-hmm.
Awesome. So you can see what a nice difference that is. I love filler because it's instant.